Mounjaro and Ozempic. Are these diabetic medications or ultimate weight loss game changers? Let's find out. So this is a comparison between two medications, Mounjaro and Ozempic. The generic is Mounjaro is tirzepatide and Ozempic is semaglutide. Mounjaro is a dual GIP-GLP-1 receptor agonist, while Ozempic is just a GLP-1 agonist. Both the medications are FDA approved for treating type 2 diabetes. Zepbound and Wegovy are the another brands which are approved for weight loss. Talking about the efficacy in blood HbA1c level, we can see Mounjaro is offering 2 to 2.3% reduction in HbA1c levels, while Ozempic is approximately 1.9%. For patients who are using Mounjaro, there is an average weight loss of 17 to 25 pounds, but for those using Ozempic, it is around 13 pounds. Dosage for Mounjaro is weekly injections which start with a dose of 2.5 mg, increasing to maximum 15 mg, while Ozempic is available from 0.25 mg and increasing to maximum of 2 mg. These are also weekly injections. Side effects, both them have nausea, vomiting, decreased appetite, diarrhea, but the side effects are more observed while taking Mounjaro. And cost, both are expensive, Mounjaro falling on the higher side. FDA approved the reduced risk of cardiovascular events in patients using Ozempic, but for Mounjaro, it is not yet established. Due to Mounjaro's dual action gives more result in reducing blood sugar levels as well as weight loss when compared to Ozempic. Now, the biggest question, choice between Mounjaro and Ozempic really depends upon individual factors. Your disease condition, your HbA1c level, or what is your goal you're trying to achieve with these medications, really based on your individual factors. And of course, you have to consult a healthcare provider to know which suits you the best.